Hi there, thank you for watching my meal prep for this week. First, we start with the chicken breast. These are three chicken breasts, and I cut to 6 pieces, and I use the paper seasoning I got in my last grocery haul for 4 of them, the 2 on the side. I just season them with salt and pepper, and I drizzle some olive oil over them. And here they are after they baked for 20 minutes on 450 and let them rest, and then I will cut them to small pieces. Season the salmon and tuna with salt and pepper, and I drizzle some olive oil over it, and I will bake it on 425 for 20 minutes. And here they are after they baked for 20 minutes on 425, and let them rest first before I do anything. And I shredded the tuna and I added some olive oil to it, put it in a mason jar. I'll put it in the fridge for a couple of weeks. I browned the pasta and then seasoned it with vegetable seasoning and cooked it same way I cook rice. I got 3 dinners from the pasta and 2 lunches. Also, I packed the salmon and tuna. I cut the chicken breast to small pieces. Each breast I put in a small Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna use it for lunches, for like chicken salad or sandwiches as we needed. Made some basmati rice seasoned with fish seasoning. I'm gonna use it beside the salmon or the tuna. Made some cream of mushroom soup. I'm gonna use one with a chicken soup to make chicken pot pie. Also, I made 4 jars of concentrated chicken soup. Is for chicken noodle soup, and I'll make some biryani rice with chicken with it. The vegetables I made for this week is cauliflower vegetables. I already have a lot of vegetable already prepped. Also, I boiled some eggs. It's gonna be some for breakfast, some for lunches to add on our salad. Roasted some potato. I just cubed it, seasoned it with vegetable seasoning, and I baked it in the oven for 20 minutes on 420 Fahrenheit. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share.